welcome to this exclusive first look at what would be the only sequel to a Doctor Who film, Dalek's Invasion Earth 2150 AD. With a 60% increase in budget to a staggering £286,000, more could be achieved visually than in the original Terry Nation 6-part TV series from 1964 on which this film was based. There was a larger cast, more ambitious special effects, and a grander scale and scope than had been achieved in the original film the year previously.
Look!
Producer Milton Subotsky and director Gordon Fleming preferred this sequel for its fast pace and more adult action. New Daleks were created for Invasion Earth, and for those that weren't destroyed, some would end up in the home of eager fans who, through breakfast cereal sugar puffs, would win their very own Dalek.
Robotizing process completed. Release them.
Now, only two of the original cast members from the first film would make it back for the sequel. Peter Cushing, of course, as Doctor Who, and Roberta Tovey as granddaughter Susan. This allowed newcomers like Bernard Cribbins to enter the Doctor Who universe, where he remains today. I spoke to Bernard as part of my book to find out how he auditioned for the part of Doctor Who in the 1970s. Now, this restoration of Dalek's Invasion Earth has been sourced from the original camera negative for the very first time, and has gone through elaborate processes of cleanup and restoration, and you'll be seeing the 4K image in HDR Dolby Vision. If you've seen my unboxing for Doctor Who and the Daleks, you'll get a sense of what we might see here from StudioCanal's premiere restoration and box sets. These new 4K box sets are setting a new standard of excellence and come in the wake of StudioCanal's restorations for Total Recall, The Lady Killers, and Flash Gordon. Right, let's get unboxing. We're looking, of course, at the special edition box sets and the steelbook there on the right today. But let's kick off with the box set first, and you get a sense of what's in here from the little tag on the front. Of course, new restoration, limited edition coin, 2 booklets, 4 art cards, and 2 posters, all in this pretty small package. On the back, some extra special features that have been created specially for this release: the Dalek Legacy Invasion Earth, restoring Doctor Who and the Daleks, some photo galleries, and some previous content ported across. As we talked about, this is in Ultra HD and Blu-ray as well. Now you can see the foil effect here, replicated from the original box set. It's wonderful, and it really gives a 3D depth to the Daleks there at the back. Now I'm carefully taking these holders off the artwork at the back, and I often keep that inside. There we go. Wonderful. Interesting quotes here at the back. Surrender and you will live. Resist and you will be exterminated. There's an offer you don't hear every day. It's opening here with a kind of a soft close effect. It's very tightly packed. Wonderful. And inside the lid, another quote: "We'll have to bypass Watford. The place is full of Daleks." You don't hear that on the traffic news very often. Here's my mini book. More about that in a moment. Here's StudioCanal's very special collector's edition booklet with Johnny Dombrowski's fabulous new artwork there emblazoned on the cover. A sneaky peek there at one of the original poster releases. Peter Cushing and Ray Brooks there. And here, the reissue poster. Now the main feature itself, with Of course, Johnny Dombrowski's fabulous artwork. As we open it up, we can see that the 4K is there on the left with Peter Cushing being harassed by the Dalek saucer, and on the right, a legion of Daleks for the Blu-ray release. And on the back there, details, of course, of the special features we've just seen. Nice touch here, photo gallery of some of the key images from the film. Blisteringly sharp reproductions. Great to see. And something I've only seen once before in a box set. In the Daleks box set, of course. Doctor Who and the Daleks had this, a special limited edition coin.
Daleks are the masters of Earth. Exterminate!
The previous one featured a Thal on the front and Daleks on the back. This one, of course, features Doctor Who himself, Peter Cushing. And it has the name of the film and the year 1966 when the film was first released. Daleks Invasion Earth 2150 AD. Beautiful, that. And of course, not to be outdone, the Daleks, perhaps the real stars of the film, some people think. On the back, 3 Daleks there, photobombing each other. Attention survivors of London, the Daleks are the masters of Earth. Now here's the mini book, which is much smaller than my coffee table art book, which is out in September. Gives you a brief preview of some of the details and some of the material you can find in the book. And many behind the scenes shots, hopefully that you haven't seen before, you'll see in the book, and there you can see the original artwork there from Tom Chantrell. Now the collector's book, fabulous here with great images from the film and new essays as well. It's always fabulous to read new things about the Doctor Who movies. Bill Wiggins' original artwork. He created both the original and sequel artwork. Great to see it here. Johnny Dombrowski's artwork competing beautifully with Bill Wiggins. Look at this as a collection. How did so much fit into such a small box? Could it be bigger on the inside? I said that last time, probably to groans at you at home. Amazing. Great stuff. Now let's take a look at the steelbook. Now these steelbooks are becoming very popular. I think these would be popular with Daleks themselves. I think they'd like to see themselves represented in steel. This has the same features, of course, as the original collector's edition box set. It doesn't have the additional content inside, of course. That can't be fitted as well. We slide off the cardboard outer with the details of the extras. We are greeted by brand new commissioned artwork from Johnny Dombrowski. There on the front, the Doctor and his companions. On the back, a destroyed London, and of course the saucer from the Daleks looming large. As we open it up there, we can see in the skyline the swirling title sequence that's been recreated here by Johnny. He did that on the last box set too, for Doctor Who and the Daleks. 4K here on the left, again with the same artwork we saw in the collector's edition. The same for the Daleks for the Blu-ray, but as we pop them out, here's a fabulous shot taken from the back lot at Shepperton Studios of the Daleks invading London. There you go, Dalek Invasion Earth in collector's edition box set and in steelbook. Which do you get if you're a true fan? Of course you get them both, so you don't have to make that terrible decision. Wonderful. Now, to be in with a chance of winning a signed copy of my new book, simply subscribe here to my YouTube channel and comment below. And in the book, you will find much more details about the making of the films, the unmade sequels, and a good few surprises too. Good luck.
This is the year 2150.
Look! Daleks are the masters of Earth. Exterminate!
We must find out their weakness.
We'll show them who the masters are.